What is up? It's your boy here bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. Today we're talking about the different type of Tacoma owners. We got the off-roaders, we got the mall crawlers, but now we got the hyper milers. So the last video I made on miles per gallon did super well. Not like in views, but in the activity down below. So a lot of people were like, oh, I got 20 miles to the gallon, I get 24, but a very loyal subscriber, a very loyal viewer actually knocked us all out of the park. Fish Tacoma absolutely destroyed us. So I have some pictures, I have some proof showing the numbers that he got. Today, we're gonna take our truck, we're gonna do a road trip, kind of, sort of. It's not gonna be a very big trip. We're gonna see how the miles per gallon highway is without the wind dam, because a lot of people are asking me, is it better, is it worse? So that's what we're doing in today's video. But in the comment section, I need to hear what you guys have to say. Let me know your highest miles per gallon. Reach out to me on Instagram at official Aing and let me know what you got. What's your best? I'm very interested. But with that being said, let's get right into the video. All right, as always, in the theme of the miles per gallon trip, we're gonna hold this down, we're gonna reset it. So we're gonna go off trip B. I guess 50 miles, Sandy guessed 15 miles. So it kind of tells you how good one is with math and how bad the other is. So 16 miles, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to see what our MPGs are on my brand new Tacoma without the wind dam. A lot of people say they took it off because they didn't like it. A lot of people said they kept it on because of the fuel economy that it gave them. I don't know. We're about to figure that out. We're about to take it, see how it does. I'm hoping that it does okay. I'm not gonna be flooring it. I'm not gonna be going crazy. Let me know what you guys think. Am I gonna get better MPGs? Last time was like around 230 miles, 30 plus MPGs. So I'm really excited to see what happens now, especially because everyone's like, oh, you're gonna pay at the gas pump. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be that much of a difference. Onward we go. All right, so we're about 8 miles in, I guess a little over halfway. Let's hit this button right here. If you can read up there, it says tank average fuel economy. So I read that wrong in the video where I took it off, so I feel a little bit bad. That's the tank average fuel economy. The current fuel economy is looking like a little bit below 15 miles per gallon. But the fight's not over. We are going uphill right now. So maybe, just maybe, we'll look at what the infotainment system actually says and see what our trip miles per gallon was. We're doing good. This is the first time I've seen it drop so low before. I think we'll do good. I don't think it's gonna be a big change in the miles per gallon. It's just, I don't know. I don't think it's that big of a difference. So this is the miles per gallon that I got on the way here. So we're all the way up at 30 for quite a bit of the time, but you can see our lowest points got pretty low. Now, I'll be quite frank with y'all. I was trying to be a hyper miler as much as I could. So I apologize for that. On the way home, I'm not. I'm gonna be straight up and I'm gonna be driving how I'd like to drive because, well, it wasn't very fun driving here, I'll be honest with you. So we're gonna go ahead, count it at that 30 miles per gallon. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times that we touched 30 miles per gallon, and our lowest seems to be like 11, 12 miles per gallon. So on the way home, we're gonna do a little bit more of spirited driving, I guess you could say. So with that being said, I'll be right back after this IKEA trip. That was actually a very quick IKEA trip. Usually it takes us like 4 to 5 days to get in and out. Now it's time to reset the trip. Bada boom, bada bing. We're at 0.0 miles traveled. Now let's get this show on the road. This time we're driving. I was driving a little bit more tamed. So let's get this show on the road and let's really drive. Just to give you guys as much of an honest review as I can. I wasn't driving like under the speed limit or popping this bad boy into neutral, but I definitely was not flooring it up hills as much as I usually do, or accelerating as much as I usually do, if that makes any sense. But nonetheless, let's see what we get now. We didn't finish all the way. We got only 13 miles to the gallon, which is a little bit unfortunate. It doesn't matter because either way, my driving habits weren't the best. Looking at it here, we touched 30 miles to the gallon 1, 2, 3, 4 times versus the 5 times, and our lowest actually relatively the same. I'm about to put both on the screen now. I don't know what they're gonna be. I don't know how different they are, but I'm at Red Robin now because I've been craving, I don't know why, a burger and some fries. And that's what we're about to get today. Let me know if you want to be in the next video of this hyper mileage series. I guess maybe we'll do something to see what viewer, what subscriber has the best gas mileage. So official Aing is the Instagram that you want to send your messages to, or you want to send your pictures to if you're interested. Guys, 36 36 miles to the gallon in a Tacoma. Don't tell me that it's impossible. So with that being said, let me know what you guys think. Is the wind dam really that big of a deal? I think after hundreds of thousands of miles, you will see like $50 go back to your bank account. But other than that, I don't think it's that much of a difference, but that may just be my personal opinion. Maybe one day I get big enough to talk to a Toyota engineer and see what they actually say about that. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Guys, we're so close to 2.5K subscribers. You guys are building like madman, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. I want to hit 10,000 subscribers so freaking bad, so bad. So I appreciate you guys' help. With that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace. If you're watching to the end of this video, I appreciate you very freaking much. I've never been to Longhorn Steakhouse. Now, is that a good place to go? I like steak, but I've never been there. Let me know. What should I get from there? Maybe I'll make a vlog on it. Thanks.